Have you considered how AI could help us in normalizing procedures? So human error in creating and executing procedures seems to be a key challenge. Might AI offer a solution to this? Hi, my name is Kamila Czechowska.
Hi, I'm Alice Yue.
Hi, I'm Veronica Nash.
Hi, I'm Kaska Wloka.
Hi, I'm Jordi Petriz, and I would like to invite you to watch this video.
Have you ever wondered about the current state of normalization of processes in flow cytometry? Flow cytometry is an essential tool used by scientists to examine both the physical and chemical properties of particles in samples prepared in laboratories. The aim of normalizing procedures in flow cytometry is to ensure that the results are consistent, regardless of the equipment or the researcher conducting the experiment. Although we've made considerable progress, there's still much to do. Creating procedures that are interpreted and implemented uniformly across different laboratories is a complex challenge. However, advances in artificial intelligence like the development of conversational models similar to ChatGPT are paving new ways to help here. These AI models can learn to draft precise and unbiased instructions through techniques such as reinforcement learning. Furthermore, converting these instructions into videos could cater to various learning styles. What are your thoughts on utilizing ChatGPT-like models to develop standardized procedures? Keep your curiosity alive, stay updated, and continue to delve into the marvels of science. We invite you to join the conversation at the Chatflow workshop during CYTO 2024.